guys. Magandang umaga. Si Baby Boy, pinapakain ko lang ng Sunis.
Philippine National Anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Ayan guys, tapos na magbayag si
This
Ronaldo.
song is dedicated to Miss Reggae Contest.
Dito kami sa
Hello,
Barangay
sound check.
Kabutusan,
This
MacArthur
Saturday,
Lady.
with this inspirational
May
quote,
Latres
winning
Moreno,
doesn't always
yung natasan dito.
mean being first. Winning means you're doing better than you've ever done before. By Bonnie Blade. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the fourth Product Race event here in Barangay Kapudlusan, MacArthur Leyte today, October 7, 2024, with the Dirt Speed Thrills 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, this will be one of the most traditional form of motorcycle competition here in our town. Also, this event is for the Fiesta celebration of our Virgen del Rosario, our Virgin of the Rosary. This event will be participated man players of MacArthur's, riders, and players in different places from the province of Leyte. They will assure and provide all the minimum public health standards and safety protocols for the players and the audience. Furthermore, in this sports event will be memorable for all MacArthur Hornons visitors
Ayan guys,
and
thank you
guests.
for watching guys.
Alright,